Blessings with viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing, I don't know it's a NEWLINK there from NEWLINK Production, giving thanks to life as usual on a daily basis. So now people, I was reading this article published on one of those popular news media sites, right? And it's where a person has wrote in on behalf of their brother who is living in Jamaica, because I guess this person lives in Canada. And what this person is talking about, the Jamaica Thief in Public Service, which is the JFPS, which is the JPS. Well, people, honestly, all I can tell is, Jamaica Public Service, JPS, oh my world, oh my peaches, NEWLINK. So me just read the article here and go through with people and then we just get a talk on it because, yo, it's really serious. Hi to all. My handicapped brother who is living in Jamaica just got his light bill and the amount was almost $28,000. Previously, his light bill was approximately 4,000 Jamaican dollar. My brother only has one fridge and he doesn't turn on his television. He lives alone and now his bill is way too high. My niece went to the JPS office to find out why his bill was so high this month. And the lady told her that they have to get someone to check the wiring. My niece told him his wiring is fine as his house is new, only 6 years old, and they said they can't help him because the meter showed the reading. I was told that other people all over Jamaica are having the same problem. Can someone please investigate the JPS so that they stop sending out these ridiculous bills in a time when COVID-19 is hitting Jamaica so hard? Thanks for listening and printing this letter, but NEWLINK is reading this letter. Well, my people, Zin, not just saying the person is handicapped, right? On behalf of every Jamaican citizens. Light bill now, in a time like this now, when many people not working, especially who work in the tourism industry, right? Many people not working, and even if you do working, things is a bit slower now. So you're not getting that income that you normally get. Landlords still want them rent for those who pay rent. You get me as a food still has to buy, even though kids not going to school, because kids are home now, they eat more and everything. So expense is still there. And this thing now, the JPS, as I tell you, the Jamaica Thief in Public Service, right? They will send a bill to somebody from $4,000 go up to almost $28,000. How is that possible? And to know what is inside this house. And this is not the first time I see things like this happen, right? Which Jamaica do have the OUR, which is the Office of Utility Regulations. And I'm saying, so what does the OUR plan to do? Because I know many people been trying to go to them and do this, and they're still facing the same problem. You get me? And it's a shame to know that a country like Jamaica has to be going through stuff like this when we have so much resources. Not like some country who have to use how much different energy to get current electricity. When we use rivers and all them things that we have push electricity in Jamaica. We have solar system, all of them things, the windmill set up where we have help for flow electricity. And still we have to be facing with these high light bills. You understand? I know them say gas raise and them thing, and dollars gone up and bag or something. But how is it possible for you to increase a light bill from $4,000 to $28,000? That's over 100% to put on a light bill there. It's totally wickedness and cruelness. In a time like now, people, it's hard in Jamaica. It's really hard. And Prime Minister, Minister of Energy, all of local government, who want name, who need to step in and be there for these Jamaican poor people. Because I'm telling this, most of those rich people ain't getting these high light bill. You get me? It's the poor people that try to tarnish and tear down most of the times. It's crazy, man. How is it possible for you to raise a bill from 40 to 28? The person is even handicapped, but not just saying, talking to every Jamaicans out there. It's rough, it's tough. Especially in a time like now. Come on, Jamaica Thief in Public Service. You all need to do better. Mr. Wellness all uno need to do better. It's a shame and it's a disgrace. My beautiful Jamaica, I love you so much. I love my country, but boy, these people, they come to kill and to destroy. Only just sees and he knows. They come to kill and to destroy. How shall we survive this? This is really worse than even a pandemic. You don't know the thing of people. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And we say attack. Just hope everyone doing fine, everyone doing great. And please keep safe and stay positive. Attack them. Jamaica Thief in Public Service. Attack.